Meghalaya, one of the most beautiful states of India, is blessed with an ideal climate that welcomes visitors all the year round. Nature's beauty has everything to offer tourists, be it landscapes, peaks, giant rocks, caves, clear water rivers, waterfalls, lakes, rare flora and fauna, botanical wonders, and so on and so forth. The state has great untapped potential for the growth of tourism, and the state government is making serious efforts to tap the tourism sector and is taking up many meaningful projects related to ecotourism, cave tourism, adventure tourism, health tourism, and others. With its picturesque sites, Meghalaya could also be an ideal location for film and television shooting. Eastern West Khasi Hills, the 12th district of Meghalaya, is also dotted with a number of lovely tourist spots where nature unveils itself in all its glory. Here is a glimpse of some of such places of tourist interest. Mount Peak. This is the highest peak in the entire West Khasi Hills region. It is located at a distance of 70 kilometers approximately west of Shillong. It derived its name from the name of one variety of millet, Rashan. The first settlers of the peak range cultivated the crop in large quantities and used the flat rocks resting on top of the peak to dry the millet. Its highest point falls under Lawkyntang village, which is in Eastern West Khasi Hills district. The whole peak range offers a panoramic view of its surroundings, wherefrom, during clear sunny skies, one can see the imposing Himalayas to the far north, Kelang Rock to the northeast, Shillong Peak to the east, Syntiew Peak to the southeast, Lyngdoh Peak to the south, and a number of high-rising hills and peaks to the west. The best time for distance sight viewing is from the first week of October to the second week of December. To reach the highest point at Lawkyntang village, one can take the Nonglait Lawkyntang road, the distance of which is about 7.4 kilometers. Kelang Rock is a massive legendary granite giant rock located 12 kilometers northwest of Marang town. Climbing this rock is a package attraction for adventurous people. From the top, one can have a panoramic view of the beautiful surroundings. To reach the location, one has to take the Marang Maunai Kelang road. Tirot Singh Cave. This is a heritage site where Uttar Singh's aim of Nonglait was hiding during the First Anglo-Khasi War, 1829 to 1833. It is told that in this hiding place, Uttar Singh used to hold important meetings with his militaries, advisors, and the front leaders of the war. Remnants of the stone-carved chairs and the center table can still be seen inside the cave. It is located near Nonglait village, about 18 kilometers from Mairang. One can reach the site by taking the Mairang-Nonglait road. Kapan Nonglait Waterfall is located at Khawai River under Nonglait village, about 10 kilometers northwest of Mairang, by the side of the Mairang-Nonglait road. It is named after Kapan Nonglait, a legendary lady freedom fighter during the First Anglo-Khasi War, 1829 to 1833. It was on the 3rd of April 1829 that 32 British soldiers who were travelling from Mairang station to Nonglait garrison took rest by the side of the waterfall. As planned, Kapan Nonglait passed by them with a basket fully loaded with fine local brewed liquor. She pretended to pluck wild vegetables and took rest very close to soldiers. She offered the liquor, and after consuming, they all got drunk. Taking advantage of their drunkenness, she stealthily collected all their guns and ammunitions and threw them to the deep pool below. She then called the warriors of Singh, who killed them all. Now this waterfall is treated as a heritage site. Lawbyrtun's Secret Grove. It is located at Lauperton village, about 20 kilometers southwest of Mairang town. Till date, it is considered sacred and no trees whatsoever are felled, fearing misfortunes that may befall on any violator. It is connected with the traditional beliefs where religious offerings, pujas, used to be performed by the Lyngdoh Nonglait clan to propitiate the gods and to free them from any type of disease or sickness. The sacred grove is being maintained by the Lyngdoh Nonglait clan. One can reach the place by taking the Kynshi Lauperton Maukalay road or via Paryong Nonglait Maukalay. Mauliwai wave-like landscape. It is a rare wave-like grass-covered landscape located at Markynsai village, about 20 kilometers south of Mairang town. It is an ideal site for picnic, trekking and film shooting. One can reach a place by taking the Shirwang Tinongba Markham road that further leads to Lyngdoh, Tiwa and Chakrim Hot Spring in southwest Khasi Hills district. Khudoi Waterfall. This is a beautiful waterfall located near Syntiew village, about 10 kilometers north of Mairang town. The waterfall can now be fully viewed from the hanging bridge constructed atop the waterfall. One can reach a place by taking the Mairang Dosau Bla Lawing Lat Mauro Syntiew road. Thup Waterfall. This is located near Nonglait village. It is one of the highest waterfalls in the district and is a breathtaking sight to see. Other places of tourist interest include Kynshi River boating near Binther village and near Kynshi village, Kynshi River Fish Sanctuary, Nongkasen Fish Sanctuary, Batho picnic spots near Umkrem village, Lyngdoh Mauro Viewpoint, Nongklao Viewpoint, Maolong Viewpoint, Lyngdoh Masi Viewpoint, and others. The district is well known for handicraft products, mula, fiber bags, variety of bamboo baskets, bamboo containers, bamboo tools, and others, and about a variety of wood carving products, etc. Further, a number of private homestays are available at Waterfall and wayside dhabas where one can stay and relish the local cuisines.